Here's another great selling model we have just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2005 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop pickup. And yes, 2005, so we got the big boy underneath the hood, the 6-liter, V8 power, automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot, an actual mile truck. Just 48,481 miles on it at the moment, and you can see some of this custom airbrushed flame, and it pops. It's got a good look to it. Nothing too crazy over the top, but nicely done. On smoking asphalt is what they call the black paint on this truck. Let's take a good look at that front grille, headlights. Now it is black. You may have a spot where there's a little pebble chip or a spot where there's a little touch up, but overall this paint has a great shine to it. You can see reflection off it every direction. Speaking of which, check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. You'll see the bed of it. You're also going to see the truck from every angle. Top up, top down, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, it has the chrome wheels, Michelin, Pilot Sport radials, disc brakes at all 4 corners. Brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear, according to the technician that looked at this particular vehicle in our service department. You also noted the tires are starting to get down there as far as on wear. Will need to be replaced in the future, but it still has some miles on it. Have a little fun this summer. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I like how this kind of blue flame job fades as you get to the rear of the door. And again, you can see the reflection. That paint almost looks wet. No major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down this passenger side. You'd have the ebony or kind of a very, very dark charcoal, the black interior, bucket seats, leather. Of course, all your modern amenities. And we will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. It does have the windscreen in it. Those are nice in this truck. And that can stay in place with the top up or top down, just so you know. It also has the teak wood strips in the bed. Check out the still pictures. Very nice bed on these, actually carpeted, and then with that teak wood highlights in there. Complete dual exhaust, front to rear. Of course, that retractable hardtop is power, and I will be showing you how that works up and down here in just a bit. Look at the reflection in that black paint. Once again, all those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, if it's more of a late model one like this, a little more modern, or if you like the ones this was based off of back from the, let's say, early 50s, late 40s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And again, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the driver's side. Be a fun vehicle for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Also want to thank the people that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Well over 100,000 subscribers now. Something else you can always do to help us out. If you know somebody that likes these trucks, into these trucks, maybe looking for one of them, go ahead and share it. We definitely appreciate it. So you have bucket seats, power on both sides. You also have heat on both sides, memory seating over here on the driver's side, and that leather seat. Still in nice shape. Yes, you get the wrinkles. This is kind of a natural wrinkling of the hide. So on the leather, a little bit of wear on the bolster. Steering wheel controls, of course, and you'd have driver's information center over here, stereo on the other side. Cruise control, tilt column. Again, all your modern amenities. It's like how they did the kind of rally gauge pack down below the dash in front of the shifter on these. AM, FM, CD player. And a believe that would be about a 6 CD changer. Fired up. This thing's got a nice rumble to it. Alright, first of all, exact miles. 48, 481, there it is. Tachometer's working. Other gauges are working. That was a cold start, so I would expect that to be up. Fuel gauge, oil pressure. Stereo working. How about gauges down below? There's that for battery. Outside temperature. What else do we have? Looks like a pound-feet of torque. Dash looks good. Pop that hood too, so we're gonna take a peek at that engine bay, but first let's listen to this. Let's go to that wing on there. Now that is a deep, throaty exhaust note. It's cool how these taillights reflect too. If you look at that, that's not an LED, that's a bulb in there. Look at the reflection of that. These always seem to be quick sellers when we get them in, especially the ones in nice shape like this, and they don't have a ton of miles on them, and they're a lot of bang for the buck. That thing's got a 6.0 underneath the hood, and let's take a look at it. Alright, I just found out we have a bonus on this truck that I wasn't aware of before until I went to open the hood. Alright, first of all, these things are notorious. Do not lift on this trim piece right there, that hood ornament, I guess, if you will, trim piece. Always lift off to the side or behind it on the hood itself. There's tabs that hold these on. They're notorious for breaking because this is a heavier hood, and I do not believe, correct me if I'm wrong, maybe they changed this later on, but I know they used to come with a prop rod, because you know how many times I'd seen somebody, the prop rod's over here out of the way, and somebody thinks it's on hood struts, but it's not, and they go ahead and close that hood with the prop rod up. I've seen that before. I've seen bent prop rods come in. This one, hood struts. And down in the comments, did these come with hood struts later on from the factory? Because it is one nice feature on these. Number one, it helps you raise that hood. Here's those tabs I'm talking about where they would break. These are all good and not been repaired. The hood is a little heavier on them. Lift from back here, they're off to the side. And then, like I said, we have the hood struts on this one. Doesn't seem like much of a deal, but trust me, that is a nice feature. There it is. You see aluminum heads, 6-liter V8, power steering, power brakes, AC's cold. This one's ready to go. Turn the key, go have some fun. All right, let me get the tripod set up. Let's check out how this retractable hardtop works, take a peek at the condition of it, and stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take it for a drive. I will also vouch for the heated seat working on the passenger side. Got a little warm in there. Heated seats working, passenger side. Hey, just like that, we got a hardtop. So, retractable hardtop functions as it should. Rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits, also a nice tight fit. Say the condition of it, equivalent to the rest of the paint. Nice shine to it. Looks good. Tinted rear window. Around here to the passenger side, side glass, also nice fit. Pretty much all you're going to see in that black is a reflection of the ceiling. There you go. I'll show you it folding back down into the storage area too. And stick around till after that. Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's a 2005 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop. Remember, it's got the big boy underneath the hood, the 6-liter. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2005 Chevrolet SSR. The retro-styled pickup with all the modern amenities. This is an automatic on the center console. It's got curves like a classic truck. Looking good in black with some awesome flames. Honestly, I really like the airbrush flames on this black truck. Acceleration is very good as usual. The battery's charging well over 14 volts to temperature. Gauge is 195. The oil pressure over 40. The fuel gauge reached 3/4 of a tank. Stereo sounds good. CD capable. I've only tested FM. This truck with a power top. Just push a button, it does it all for you. Power hardtop even. You don't have to worry about cloth being exposed to the wind and rain. Awesome convertible little trucks. Nice smooth braking. This truck has a little bit of a rumble to it as well. I expect maybe some exhaust upgrades. Corners very well. Everything is as you'd expect. Take a look at all the pictures of this SSR at uniqueclassiccars.com.